Welcome. Good morning, chat. Good evening. Welcome, everyone. Happy community time. How you doing, guys? How is it going? How do you feel today? So happy to see you on board. What's up, great guys? Close to 50 people on board are ready for the stream. We're ready. We're about to take it to the moon. We're about to take it to the moon. We're touching a meaningful level here and we're reacting. Hopefully I'm not missing out on an entry. But we're going to share the presentation with all the community members, pretty much everywhere as usually. Oh, look at that one. We've got new images. The best. This is the best Christmas gift. Look at that one. We got to produce that somehow. We got to produce that. Traders would love it. So, sign up for the giveaways. Good day, everyone. Happy to see you. Link is in the chat. Link is in the in the Discord. It's a decent reaction, way more than decent actually, on the 15 minute. This is where we are with the Nasdaq. Sitting below the daily opening, but we've been successfully delivering in the past minutes right now. We're looking at the 15-minute chart. There's a clear denial of crossing the red line, and this denial, I mean this red line that I have here, some of you might think I have a direct relation with the Wall Street because look at that. Institutional trading, somehow I hacked their trading system. I took their lines, and this coming from there. It's coming from there, guys. Have a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Good morning, good evening. And make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Some of you might think this is a hacked line from Wall Street and institutional trading, which I wouldn't deny at some point. The accuracy level is insane. I'm looking forward longing the market and the price action. Looking forward to that. Later. New York opens in 1 hour. How did you trade it today, guys? Did you have a great time? What are we going to trade today, guys? What are we going to point today? Are we going to trade today? Why is the market going up? Because people buy. Why is it people buying? Because the market is going up. This is what we're going to trade today, guys. Good morning, everyone. Make sure also to join our Discord for those of you that are fresh. I think we're going to the moon somehow. Look at that. This is a decent spot here on the 1 minute. Trading my Lucid 150k. Oh, by the way, Lucid is running 50% on any reset. 50% discount on any reset for Lucid. That's a silly rejection we just had there. Huh.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna partially cut out of this position. And I'll buy back cheaper if that's the case. But that was a Not to worry about. Lucid is running 50% off on any challenge. That's insane, right? On any challenge, 50% off for the Lucid. This promotion is fresh out of the oven. What does it mean, this promotion? Well, it means, for example, your 150K comes out at $210 for the initial buy, $210, and then the reset is $105. So for an account that's paying you $3,000 to be able to buy it for $105 is insane. Is almost 30 times. That's insane, guys. 150K pays you $3,000, and you're buying an account that's paying you $3,000 for $105. You can only buy it for $105 if you already spent $210 and if you lost it at $210. You don't need to reach to buy it at $105. I don't wish you that, but I'm giving you the example. You already have this kind of accounts that you've lost that you certainly want to look for the reset. Or if you consider buying basically, I mean, you can have up to 10 test accounts, 10 challenges on Lucid. Yeah. The second time payout policy on Savvy requires you to make the same money like the first time, 5%. 5% of the account size.
Order
Buying
filled.
back into my 3 contracts here for a runner. 1 minute. Could finally swing above. And give us something. We're going to get into the 5 minute as well. We had enough of the 15 minute. Liquidity has been grabbed, so we're not looking bad. But at the same time today, we also have on the other side the algo on the green line. Right, so first resistance might step around 594 with the algo that has been functioning today, 594. Therefore, we're leaving this one higher.
Order filled.
Adding another contract. Yes, it's the same hours basically like in any other company. So, let me see your other questions, guys. You're not allowed to trade overnight. No. Yes, still available. It's not over. It's still available. With my code, it's still available. I don't know with other people codes. Yeah, we have a crypto prop firm we're gonna talk about this weekend. I'll have a new review video. I'm gonna introduce you a company which will be towards the crypto space. We're gonna introduce and talk about it this weekend. When can you get a payout on Lucid with straight to funded? Minimum 8 trading days, 20% consistency. You reach your target and you're requesting the payout. The target is at 6% for the straight to funded for the first cycle. Second cycle, 150K account is nicely on 3%. And that's tremendous, guys.
Order filled.
Interesting price action. Like, how many times are we bringing it down? We'll see. If it starts smelling bad, I'm gonna cut it.
Order filled.
The daily loss is at 1,500. I don't want to lose more than that in a day on this accounts. Yeah. We had a 8,800 week, a loss of 6,500, and a 159 right now. We're still profitable with this account. $2,300. But it's not in the best shape. And you can request your payouts every single moment. Yes. CMA trading schedule. Exactly. CMA trading schedule. That's what's expected. Let's copy trade our Lucid accounts that are funded, the Lucid Pro accounts. I'm happy to consider touching for an entry here of a single
Order
contract.
filled.
Thank you, by the way, guys, for joining. Make sure to also sign up for the giveaways. We're touching the pivot here on the 30s. If that 30s is not going to work, we'll see today's low. What is it going to happen around today's low? 500s. Right? So 500s, guys. Keep that in mind. I'm
Order
out of
filled.
this and I'm looking for buying back at 500s. I don't think we have CPI today. I didn't check at the moment, but we have a lot of accounts. 5 minutes still looks bearish. Probably going down to the 500s. We got to set up our limit orders. Right, so the current 5-minute candle would be nice if it wicks down and then runs back from today's low. I have a lot of accounts at all the firms. We're stacked up for the moment, but we're gonna buy a little more in the upcoming period. Yeah. It's the daily. I think we get there. The market makers would like to monetize that.
Order rejected. Order filled. Order filled.
So I got in a few shorts here. I like also to short my top one futures account
Order
as well.
filled.
I'm shorting it for a decent target of $500 on top one futures. I think we should go down into 500s. Today's low. This might be a trap here, this movement to the upside.
Order filled.
Also opening my trade, guys, on
Order filled.
Ticktick Trader as well. Top one almost touched the target. Come on, bring it down. I'm ready to touch my first target for today.
Order filled.
There you go. $500 would touch the first target. Let's go basically with the other trades as well. Other accounts, looking at the Ticktick trader. So Tap 1 futures, we touched the first target on our Ignite account, 500 bucks. Looking for touching my $500 on the Ticktick trader and then on Lucid as well. Putting the break even on Ticktick.
Order filled.
And the target has been touched on Ticktick. Putting the break even on Lucid. Bring it down, baby. Don't you dare to stop it here. We don't need those limit orders anymore from the 500s. Look at all that buying pressure. Bring it down. You want to flush into... Come on. You got to create the liquidity for that contracts on the 500s to be filled up, right? The huge buy orders. Bring
Order
it down.
filled.
There you go. Target has been hit over here as well. Celebration time. Back-to-back winners on 3 prop firms. Lucid Trading, Ticktick Trader, and Tap 1 Futures. Boom. What a lovely celebration time and the way to kickstart our live stream. Great. Great. This was the 3rd day on our Lucid Pro. 3rd day. We have 1,848. And we're on the good run. Paul's got talent, guys. Paul's got talent. Futures trading. We made money over here. But very important, we have our 3rd point on Ticktick Trader as well. 3rd point on Ticktick Trader. 4 more points we need, and we go $10,000 pound. We have 4,800 bucks balance. Our max daily loss is 1,500. I'm not planning on touching it, whether you believe it or not. So we're sitting really good, guys. Really good. We touched earlier a daily loss of 1,500, but it's... I've been longing too early. I've been longing this too early. Not an issue. We're going to get back on that one too. But very important here. You know, the Lucid Pro only requires 5 days. Let me share with you guys. Yeah, we have 2 accounts like this activated. We passed basically 6 tests of 50k. Remember when we made 4,000 by scalping? 2 of them got activated. And those are the ones that I have here. So let me verify that once again. How much money do I need to do? I need to do the buffer plus the amount of money I'd like to cash out on the Lucid Pro. Buffer is 2,100. The amount of money I can take out is 1,500. So that's 3,600. That's how much we got to do. 3,600. We're exactly halfway through that. Exactly. 10,000 payout on Ticktick Trader because we are trading, copy trading 5 accounts. It's 2,000 on each. Yeah, 1,000 daily loss limit on my Ticktick Trader, which is something I set up. 1,500, not 1,000, 1,500. Yeah, let's look into this performance stats for this accounts. These are the accounts that brought me to live. Right, we have this trading in October. We have this trading in September. So we have this account since 11th of September. Straight to Funded Plus from the Ticktick Trader. Right now they got their Black Friday promotion. Utilize the coupon code SCRIMBO for the biggest discounts available. Here's your code, guys. Oh my god, a lot of the people out there aiming to long it. Yeah. We didn't touch the 500s and below that. BTC coming back to the daily opening. BTC was running nicely. It's clearly the price action for Bitcoin these days. It's algo driven, which is why the charts are looking like that. So we're halfway through with this Lucid Pro accounts. Contract size. I do a lot of the contracts. 3, 5. Like today we made money on Ticktick with less contracts because of the market volatility respective, but we only did 2 contracts today. We made 530 with 2 contracts. You can see that here. Size 2 contracts, duration 47 seconds, entry 528, exit 515, PNL 530. But let me take that out for you to be able to see it. Look at that one, guys. 2 contracts short, 47 seconds, made your $500. That's where your target is for Ticktick. You collected your point. It's a system based on a profit score. Really enjoyable, I would say. Let's trade some other Ignite accounts here.
Order filled.
For our top 1 futures, we're trading one more Ignite account. We might finally go below those 500s. Let's see. Good morning, welcome guys. Sign up for the giveaways. We're putting the break even. A single contract. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord for the giveaways.
Order filled.
Break even has been touched. Certainly not an issue. Yesterday we posted a video about Lucid skill, daily loss limit skill. 60% from the peak of your balance. As soon as you cross your initial trailing balance.
Order
Testing
filled.
out 2 contracts short here. We might get that quick flush. I'm moving stop loss quite soon to break even, such as right now. We're sniping break evens. Bring it down, baby. I got that $500 there. Couple of points.
Order filled.
No, not at this time. Look at the price action is getting suppressed. I still need to activate some Lucid Pro accounts. The activation is not costing anything for Lucid, so you pass the challenge and you're financed. And if you don't pass the challenge right now, there is a massive promotion. 50% off with a coupon code Scramble on the reset. 50. It's just insane, right? That's just insane. I'm gonna trade Savius today as well. Good morning, great to see you guys. We didn't touch today's low. And we just front run. It's dangerous, guys, to long this. You know why? Because they can simply bring it up here to the 50s and then take it down into 480s. Smashing through the 500s. Smashing through some nice orders located there below the daily low. You know, the institution trading needs to generate the liquidity, and this would be a perfect scenario. This is one of the things that I'm thinking about questioning and speaking with you guys. Which are the movements that are having the purpose of generating liquidity for other orders that are pending, right? So a category of movements in the price action that are dedicated to generate liquidity for the upcoming movements that are pretty much genuine, strong, and backed up by the institutional trading. There is a difference between movements in the price action that are just there to generate the liquidity for institutional trading to accumulate and to be able to open up. And then there is a difference when institutional trading is fully confirmed and it's allowing it to run. Right? So these are two major differences that I see. Movements for something else and movements valuable and pure simply because we've got institutional trading participating. Live account is goodbye. I've lost 5 grand. Yeah, I'm using a lot of them. A very, very important one is the dynamic swing and short. A very important one, guys. Let me give you the link. This one is with the green and red lines we've talked about today. Extremely important. Let me share with you. That's the link for the indicator, yeah. I mean, I'm back into the sim environment with a Ticktick, and we already collected our 3rd point. So, you know, we're trading our 5 accounts that we had. They got resumed, activated again after we lost the live account. So, because during the time you are trading your live accounts, your sim will get paused. Yeah. That's gonna be heavy, guys. Heavy. So they have to bring the price action down. The question is from where? And there is a nice level here. Right? There is a nice level there. Into the 50s. Because with all the people that will buy here long, at the time we get back into the lows of 500s, they will nicely get out and push the price action to fill the orders below the 500s. Right? So if that's the case scenario, just thinking about. Yeah. Those things could actually disappear. At a time the price is getting close, contracts disappear. And they're just showing some traps. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. $125,000 in giveaways. That's not bad. If it's gonna be your country, I'm coming. I'm quickly coming. But you're not gonna be able to buy. You gotta negotiate with me. I have a property there. Wait. I have a property there. You can't buy the whole thing because I'm gonna be there negotiating. I'll need at least 100 Ethereums. No. What am I talking about? At least 300 Ethereums. 300 Ethereums and we're gonna be fine for half of it. Vineyard. Yeah, that's a good thing, and it's not that expensive basically. Let me see that on Discord out here. Oh, you want to go that deep. But this might be on the 4 hours, 2 hours, hourly or something like that. Looking into the 4 hours for Nasdaq. We gotta do one thing, guys, for the 4 hours. Let me just look into here. For the moment, you're still located above this trending line that you've been respecting so far nicely. You know, that could be on the table. That could be on the table. All the way into 220s and then back above 26,000. From 200s to the 26,000. Maybe not today completely, but certainly next week we have a good chance for that. This is a scenario that we're looking at. And then just to have a nice candle like this, refusing the price action to cross below the 200 EMA, below the 200s, fill up the gap and let it run. Yeah. So even if we lose the yellow trending line, is not an issue as long as the reaction appears promptly after the 220s gap. And then when you get back, basically, you shouldn't be rejected by the 500s, right? By all the wicks that we have around this levels. You shouldn't get rejected. Let's see what's happening on the other markets today as well. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. Look at that gold. It's nicely holding around 240s. Nah. Gold had a great moment since the 5th. It managed to do a higher low. And then it's respecting the red line. We talked about this indicator is insane. It's respecting the red line like nothing else. And then once it broke above the purple line, which is the 200 EMA, we exploded on gold. Fantastic. During all this time, BTC didn't manage to do anything remarkable. What a silly situation. Gold is having a great time. What about a dollar? Downtrending. Delivering on the algos. It's getting down. But the BTC is doing this, guys. Yeah. Look at the Nasdaq. It is attacking the lows. I'm not opening anything for the moment. Now it's the time to short it. It's the time to short it. This could be a nice trap here. And we're going for the $500 target. Come on. Stop loss on break even. Look at that beautiful entry, guys. I told you about a trap. Come on, guys. That's a beautiful entry. We might get something around the 500s. Hopefully not too aggressive. Come on. Bring it lower. We're trailing above the previous wick. We're trailing above the body of this candle. I'm out here, guys.
Order filled.
$400. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. Celebration time. Look at that one. Absolutely madness. What else do you want to see, guys? They said trading is just gambling, and that's the only thing we do here. We only gamble. We're not gambling, we're playing fireworks. So we got into the trade. 15.75. Look at that. Exactly on the top of the tick. I could think about an entry for longs from here. And maybe I should get serious about longing it. We're also touching the red line here for the... Well, there could be an opportunity here longing it, guys. We have a new low. They're always saying something. We got a big day. Yes, indeed. Think about it. They said retail has no chances. We don't need chances. We can do fireworks without their chances. So if you don't have 200 lines on your chart, 200 indicators, and 1,000 pay subscriptions to bots, algos, and whatnot, you cannot make money, guys. You cannot enter. It's not possible. I'm sorry. $50 from passing. Would you pay and activate or get 2 Lucid accounts? You don't need to pay. Lucid is no activation fee, buddy. On which style? On which style do we attack? We're dogging the market on which style today? Tell me that. What's the style we got out here? I'd like to make another $100 here. And today, surprisingly, low
Order
on
filled.
contracts. Right, so today was the day when we were not getting aggressive on 5, 6, 7 contracts. We were making our money from 1 to 2 contracts. Good job. Oh, top step is different. So during the New York opening, if you want to be serious about, and certainly with minis it's difficult if you have your daily losses constraining you, but micros with the ability to DCA there, it's not a bad business. Like, you can do that couple of hundreds of dollars a day and just, you know, enjoy the ride. Look at that. This is not looking bad, right? As a trade. The next 1 minute candle should be green. That's my price action knowledge. We're engulfing at the bottom here. So the next 1 minute should be green, and with that one I should attack my target. I'm also going break even. Or not yet, because we're too close with the price action. Now I can go break even.
Order filled.
They touch my break even and probably this running back up. You know, but I have a chance
Order filled.
relonging it here. It's the same thing. We had an engulfing earlier, but they're still chopping on us here. I was expecting this candle to be green. At least all the way back to 506 or something like that. You know, we're not going to get aggressive. I'm not going to DCA right now. No. Why? Because by DCing here and the market going another 20-30 points, takes my, not only my profit away, takes my daily loss away. And I don't want that. Look at that. We're putting the break even right
Order
now if I
filled.
have time, but there's no time because the target is touched and the fireworks are getting shot. New round of fireworks. It was back-to-back fireworks, Joe. So you guys are not watching trading here. You guys are watching a fireworks show. Do you know that? Let's go, guys. LFG. Thank you guys so much for joining. $518 there, 533 here, 520 on the Ticktick, 977 are Lucid, Ticktick on 5 accounts, copy trading, Lucid on 2 accounts. You know what I'm going to look into? I'm going to look into Savius right now. Let me see where is my account. So let me see. I want to set on Savius copy trading. Let me see where is the copy trading on Quantower. Pretty much here. The promotion for Savius is valid until November 15th. Right? There is buy 1, get 1 for free. Buy 2, get 3 for free. You'll have totally 5. That's a good looking entry. But I like to set up my copy trader. Let me move quickly, guys. Let me focus here. Good. So we gotta trade the 912. We're copy trading on 3 accounts. 2 minis. We're just making session lows. And I'm showing you on live how to catch the knife. 3 contracts. You see, this is different model of trading than what we're doing on the other side. You know, I'm gonna cut it away soon. Different model of trading than what you have seen earlier. It's always like that on Savius. Yeah. 450 looks good for me. But my average is higher. I'll be going a nice stop loss soon. And I'll try to get back from below this wick. We're going stop loss below the wick we just made. You gotta stop playing. Some buying pressure located here. $455. I'll take that if it comes. Otherwise, no, we just got stopped out again. Savius trading is different. And we are collapsing. So the proper trading in this condition is to wait for the markets to generate a structure. Otherwise you are doing knife catching and this is not working. It's just best of luck model. Let me set up my copy trader for the other 2. You know, it has run. We're back into the 60s. Setting up my copy trader for the other 2. Because we got 5, we bought 2, and we received 3. As for free. As bonus. Look at this price section, guys. We would have made so much money. Yeah. Good one, Sharky. Good job. That 2 Lucid accounts can bring you $2,000. It is, you know, on Savius, what we did here as a mistake was the sizing. Because if I would have been on micros, this whole thing would have played out nicely. You know, but with Savius, I'm always very aggressive on the sizing. This is the place I come and celebrate the good trading we do. on other places. Risk management disappears. Sizing, yeah. I just got into a contract. Not this account. I want to trade the other account. Yeah, this way we're having 2 copy traded. Make sure to sign up for the giveaways, guys. And Discord as well. 3 contracts. Looks good, right? Stop loss on my entry. Looks good, right? Copy trading it on 2 accounts. It was a good entry, right? Should have made money on the previous accounts as well. The price went much higher than we have entered. The only problem was the sizing. Break that 73, guys. Adding 1 more contract to this. Ah, what a silly rejection there. Temporary, we have a double top, but let's see if that plays out. Exactly. Bring it up, guys. Keep pushing, don't let me down. There's people shorting here, and this could actually fly. 60 points. They're re-shorting it here. Who's winning? Come on, we should receive acceptance above 473. We're sitting with a target on 480s. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Scramble is the coupon code for whatever discount you need. Let's see. Do we get something out of it? Or I'm gonna cut. I sold 2 contracts. Sold basically 2 contracts, made $373. Morning, welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining, guys. This might go up all the way above 500. I'm leaving the whole thing open. If it runs, I'm gonna trail below the candle. Right? I'm already trailing below the candle. If we see another rejection here, there is risks for the price action to go down another 9 points, and that would actually touch my other break even, so it's not worth it. Well, we made $700 on 2 accounts. And that's not bad. Hello, welcome guys. Great to see you. Bunch of money made pretty much everywhere. Lucid, Tap One, and Ticktick would touch our point. We made money with Savius too. We also hit daily loss, stop losses that I have. We did not lose any accounts. Not the case. Trading was good today. This is the way the hourly looks like. You know what was the dangerous level for the price action on the hourly? That this might look like a head and shoulder. What do you guys think about? This clearly looks like a head and shoulder right now. Look at that. Clearly looking like a head and shoulder. If we lose this level on the hourly, you should continue your engagement down. Hello, welcome guys. Look at that refusal. Above 73, we don't have acceptance yet. Market opens in 7 minutes. Thank you so much guys for joining, by the way. Remember, Lucid is running 50% off coupon code Scramble on their resets. 50% off on the resets. That's insane. With the Savius promo, if I pay for the add-on for fast payouts, do the free accounts also get in? Yes. But you don't need to pay for the add-on of the fast payouts. Like, the payout is processed in about 48 hours usually. 48 hours. don't pay for the add-on. You're supposed to be paid in about 48 hours in terms of business hours. Yeah. Anything right now with a scramble coupon code for Savius represents the following promotion, which is also listed in our sales promotion tab on Discord. Buy one, get one for free. So totally 2. Buy 2, get 3 for free as a gift. Totally 5. Coupon code Scramble valid until November 15th. If you buy 3, you will get 5 as a gift. Total 8 accounts. The accounts you're buying will have the full price. You don't need the add-on. Do not spend extra money. You are supposed to be paid in about 48 hours. I don't think you should consider paying extra. That's still good, right? Unless you extremely hurry up. But even this way, I mean, 48 hours is good. Yes. Welcome. That's gonna save some money. Oh, you were looking at my Quantower page. And I was showing you from Discord. We soon have 5 minutes to go. And the algo is gonna turn on right now. I'd like to make some more money here. We have 700 bucks. I'd like to take this accounts to an extra 700, 800. Come on. Give me some volatility down. 2 contracts short. Stop loss and break even. We touched the stop loss and break even. Not a problem. In case it runs, we gotta be protected because this is running, guys. They just opened the algo and we can fill it. 5-minute algo. Yeah, very risky. You know, in casino there is no crying. The same story goes along with Savius. There is no crying on Savius. Thank you guys for joining. Let's have a look into the numbers. We have close to 115 likes. For those of you that didn't like the video, they cannot participate in the giveaways. You also want to sign up for the giveaways. Let me see how many of you did sign up today. Should be around 160, 170. 164. Yep. If it runs from here, it at least runs back to the daily opening. 624. It's not going to be an easy day, guys, in terms of the volatility and the way the market is looking like. So I'm certainly suggesting you to downgrade on the risk and go into the micros. Certainly suggesting you to do that. That's going to benefit you. Testing out a short from here. If we break above the wick, I'll be out, but I'm going to DC up to the wick because I think this is a spot here of possible reversal. And I would like to nicely give it a shot. Putting the stop loss on break even. This is master trading price section 101. Bring it down. We have a nice short at the very top. We've DC'd at a proper level. And the target has been touched, guys. 1,500 on 2 accounts totally. Celebration times. There you go. Look at that. It was not difficult. It was not. Boom. It was certainly not difficult. 2 accounts, 1,500. That's good to start, guys. Our Savius accounts, especially you have the buy 2, receive 3 as bonus, totally 5. Which giveaway will be first? Gotta think about it, I don't know yet. Exactly. Boom, another one, guys. I told you, this is not a trading live stream. This is a fireworks show. We have one more here to trade today on tap 1. Good morning, welcome guys. 170 have signed up for the giveaway. Make sure you do the same. I think they know something, that's the reason, right? They have some internal data. So bye-bye, Savius, for today. That was enough. We had a great time together. $160 people watching, 130 likes. There is 30 people that are watching without liking the video. Think about it. Why would you do that? Why would you hurt me like that? Why would you hurt? Oh, we had the opening and I'm sleeping on... I can still bring you up the bell. I can still bring it up to you guys. Testing out a little short here with a stop loss above the wick. Putting the stop loss on break even. Bring it down. Here.
Order filled.
Not an issue. I would love to trade some test accounts on Lucid. You know why? Because the reset is very cheap, 50% off. But the problem is, in order for us to have access to the reset, we need to lose the main account, and that's not a good idea, right? Testing out a little long from here.
Order filled.
If it wants to pump back, I'm fine. Otherwise, I'll be out. Nothing to worry about. If we get a reaction from here, I'll nicely take that. Otherwise, I'm gonna simply get out of it, right? Putting the break even there. We have sniped into an entry. If it gives the path towards $500 target, I'll take that. 464. Come on. 464.
Order filled.
There you go, guys. Congratulations. Congratulations. I told you, you are on a fireworks show. You're not in a trading stream. We're joking, guys. We're having a great time. Boom. Blessings out here. Why do you want it to dump? Puck boy. Look at that. We made money with a pump. Nvidia is having a beautiful gap. BTC finding a local bottom. Front running people waiting for it on the daily opening, as usually. But the S&P, what a massive gap out here, 30 points. That's gonna be juicy, guys, with the government reopening. Yeah, so depends which account you buy. For 150k, you receive 2,700 times 5 payout. How much is that? Yeah, 13,500. It's not bad. You spend 1,280 for 13,500. It's not bad. For those of you in our latest video, best formula for Lucid trading, their Lucid Scale Daily Loss Limit explained. It's a tutorial, guys. What's happening out here? We kind of made all the money and we're starting the giveaway soon. We kind of traded everything today pretty quickly, especially when we had a great winner today. We actually opened that position on Ticktick, Tap 1, and Lucid. I'm so happy about my Ticktick. We're collecting our points. We need 4 more points for a $10,000 payout. I don't know if this level holds here, guys. I'm no longer trusting this price action for a long. So be careful. There it is. You are printing. Whole thing is nuking again. Market's suffering. I got a trending line here from higher time frames. We gotta do that somehow. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that one, buddy. We gotta do that somehow. We gotta open up a nice business with this. People would buy it. You're very talented and you have a great sense. Oh, look at that one. 360s. Do not knife catch. Do not knife catch. Do not go on a wild run. Take it easy, guys. Your levels are getting a feeling. 3 minutes and the giveaway start. 3 minutes. We have 183 people signed up. That's a strong rep day. BTC is collapsing too. S&P is having a bad time. Nvidia. You know, we have the trending line here. I don't know if we're gonna do something on it, but it's worth an eye. You know, some people sign up for the giveaway and then they leave the stream. But that's why you need a wheel and the numbers, right? So you gotta be active. Black Friday on Ticktick Trader, 280 bucks. We're pretty happy and proud of that. And if you're buying through Skrill or crypto for Ticktick, you are having an extra 5%. Oh, look at a BTC. What a lovely wick. A wick which is consisting $800. Just like that. Ethereum as well. Solana. I'm gonna post another video, guys, during the weekend. A prop firm for the crypto world. A much better one than the breakout. Much better one. And cheaper. Yeah, so... a prop firm which will allow you to go 100x leverage. You don't need to do that unless you want. But you can adjust the leverage, so... it's just wild. They're obviously making money if they're allowing people to do 100x leverage. During the weekend, we're gonna post the video, guys. You just want to make it to the race, and you start feeling great, right? Yeah, a much better one than Binance. I wouldn't allow people basically with 10, 20, 30, 50, 100x leverages, because certainly I know they're going to bankruptcy. I would only allow people that qualify to those level of leverages by passing, historically speaking, passing a quality test. Why? Because that allows you to create a protection measure. The amount of people as a volume losing money from high leverages is insane compared to the amount of people discover help into making money with that. Right? So this product, this service is certainly not in the advantage of retail. Some of them will have, I don't know if this one's have, I have to check that out. I have to verify. But I'll tell you in the review video, guys. During the weekend, I'll post a review. You want to find it out too. Alright guys, so time to have fun. Yeah, well, even with leverage and stop loss utilized is a big problem because the amount of losses people get is just not feasible in building up a recovery. You have $100, you lose 50. It means you lost 50%. But from 50 to get back to the same value of $100 in your account, you need to make 100%. So you lost 50% and you gotta make 100% to get that money back. Losses that are crossing certain levels are costing way more. It's like it's costing you spiritually. Good business, guys. Let's just get to the next thing that we gotta do today and start. But wait, don't rush. You gotta wait. We're having a lovely time today. We're taking the little banners out. So, how to participate? like the video, be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Fireworks daily. I wouldn't say good trading, but I'll say fireworks, because fireworks can also come from bad trading. And join our Discord. These are the 3 things you gotta do. I'll give you 10 seconds. You also make sure you are already signed up on the giveaway. Last reminder. If you're not going to be on the list, the accounts will not be credited to you. First giveaway is Lucid 50k test. No activation fee. You take the account and you bring it to the money world. Watch closely for the numbers you need to write. Watch closely. And wait for my command. You can start right now between 5 and 9. You can start 5 and 9. Let's go, guys. 5 and 9. You can start right now. Exciting times, certainly. Let's go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Between 5 and 9. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. We're gonna shuffle once and we're good to go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. And of course, best of luck for the duck race. We got that number 5 on blue. Or number 7 on red. It's going to be one of that. That's going to be the number 7, guys. I'm telling you 100%. Because I got the pedals below my desk. Look at that. I'm still pushing, guys. And now we're stopping it. Here you go. Number 7, guys. Congratulations. The lucky 7. For those of you that are playing casinos, you're always going with a 7 for sure. So where's the duck race? Here's the duck race. Here's the duck race. Let's find it out. 32 players. $32 competing for a minute. No shuffle. Best of luck, guys. Market's trading above 300s again. For those of you that have joined late, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We're doing daily giveaways. Trades by now dominating with the red duck. Come on. Look at Asmolescu with a bear duck. We don't have a bull duck. We only have a bear duck, guys. Why are these ducks so bearish? We need a bull duck. Who's gonna step up? Who's gonna step up? Come on. Save your energy for the end. You gotta do management. Energy management. Doggy trades. There you go. We got you, doggy trades. Oh. Hey, congratulations, doggy trades. I'd like to see you signed up. We're going to verify right now, opening the board. Let's find it out, zoom in a little more so you guys can also see it. We got you, buddy. There you go. Congratulations, your sign up. Congratulations, your 50K. Are you a bot? Lamro is back. He was away for a couple of weeks because we made the changes with the bots, right? But now he's back on business. Good job, guys. Back to the wheel. And now we're changing the numbers so we confuse the bots. You can get started between 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. This is going to be the second giveaway. The second giveaway will be... What is it today, guys? Thursday? $25,000. Tap 1 futures. End of the day drawdown. Instant funded. Tap 1 futures, 25K. End of the day drawdown. Instant funded. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses, guys. No more guesses. We're shuffle a few times. And we're good to go. Let's go. We have a 222. We might stop on the green one and the last one, guys. We're not going to stop on the yellow. Well, we're certainly stopping on the green one. That's going to be the number 2. And that's the king right there. We got you with the number 2. Congratulations for the winners. Market's sitting on 340s. Look at that one, guys. That's a decent reaction. Wow, look at that. 43 winners out here. 43 winners. That's going to be a hell of a fight. Going for a minute. Competition time. Come on, Jake. It's time for you to make the step forward and take the accounts. I can see your duck somewhere. Quantum, you also have a good chance. Let's go, come on. You're Spider-Man, Jake. You're Spider-Man duck. 30 seconds. But you obviously don't want to be amongst the top right now. You gotta do energy management. Look at that. You know, this guy that's leading right now is gonna get stopped down. This one. Look at that. You saw that. Oh, look at him, AC. There you go. Look at it, buddy. You're not too slow, buddy. You're not too slow, buddy. Look at that. We got you. We got you at this time. Oh. Oh my God. That's intense. Congratulations, buddy. Our great community member. Do I have to verify for you on the list? Did you forget about signing up? You're here. You're here on the list. Congratulations. The $25,000 Sim Pro account goes out to you, buddy. $25K, tap 1 futures, end of the day drawdown, instant funded. Last time he won an account, he gave it away to our community members. We're continuing to the third giveaway. Let me know, guys, do you want me to time out Lamro for 5 minutes till we finish the giveaway, and then we're gonna allow him to speak. Do you want to time out Lamro for 5 minutes? He only came to the stream when the giveaways happened. Tell me, guys, do you want me to time out him for 5 minutes till we finish the giveaways, right? Wait. Do not start. Yeah, we don't even have the numbers. You gotta wait. Let's start right now. Let me know your numbers. Start right now between 0 and 1. I'd like to see your guesses. Number 7, number 8, number 5. Right? So we have a number 2 there. I just saw that earlier. Number 3 as well. You know, bots do not have enough time to change it, guys. And we're just trapping them. This thing we do is part of our stop loss management of taking the bots out. Market's trading around 400s, close to 400s, 20 points, 15 points away. Lamro, if you are winning, we're gonna ask the community if you deserve the account or not. We're gonna do a pool. We're gonna ask the community. Right, so if Lamro is winning, just stay with us, guys, to vote. You want to stop right there. This is a $50,000 Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus account we're doing. What a great time we've got. It's 100% sure. Good. So, shuffle a few times. Perfect, guys. $400s on Nasdaq. We have the numbers on chain. That's going to be number 1, guys. If we pass that 0, which is the only one between tons of number 1s. Look at that. Are we going to pass the 0? Yes. 100% we're passing the 0. Look at that. Oh, tons of number 1s. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. We got it with a number 1. We're going to have probably about 90, 100. Let's find it out. 90. Exactly 90. Congratulations. 90, but you guys will only compete for 30 seconds. Remember, if Lamro is winning, You have to vote if we give him the account or not. Community will decide on that. We forgive you for being timed out. But we're gonna vote if you receive the account. Come on. You still have a chance if Lamro is winning. I can't see his name. But we got someone else speeding up. Trade, travel, eat, pray, love. There you go. With a punk duck. Congratulations. Let's find it out if you're on the list. Trade. Travel. No response found. Trade, travel. You're not here, buddy. You're not here, buddy. Trade, travel. He's not here. Oh, there you go. But you gotta put your YouTube username exactly like it is. Without space, that's why it was not showing. That's crazy. He's there, look at that. Next time you guys want to try to put it exactly like it is in the chat. Exactly, because otherwise we might have this problem with the space, right? Congratulations, by the way. Congratulations, by the way. You're getting the account. Congratulations, $50,000. Ticktick Trader. Straight to Funded Plus. What a lovely day, guys. We had out here trading a bunch of fireworks. Stay green, everyone. Best of luck to you. Careful with the risk management. You see what's happening out here. 130 points pump. And it's pretty much going into more and more difficulties to read the market as we advance. Thank you guys once again for joining. We're continuing tomorrow with a Happy Friday show. A lot of the accounts. Hopefully some fireworks as well. Maybe more. And then wish you the best, guys. We'll talk